In this video, I'm going to show you how to find trending Zksync Memecoins here on the screen. I'm sure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, once I've been logged in, what you need to do right here, you can see I'm currently logged in, right? And this is the new pairs, I guess. And for you to be able to see the trending meme coins on this blockchain, what you need to do, you need to click on this tab with the fair streak, right? This trend, and click on it. Once you're done, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, you're going to see a couple of trending tokens right here, right? So you can see all of them. I think the one with the very high one is 27 days ago. This 1 year, this 7 months, this 1 year, this 1 year, this 24 days, 9 months, 27, 10, 7, 7, 2, 1, 1. So this is probably how you can see trending meme coins on Zksync blockchain. If you found this video helpful, please shout out to play in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.